Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start community engagement with Nextdoor, complete guide step by step clearly. To start community engagement with Nextdoor, first, create an account on the Nextdoor website or app. Fill out your profile with accurate information, including your name and address, to connect with local neighbors. Verify your address by following the prompts provided by the platform. Once your account is active, familiarize yourself with the interface and available features. Begin by exploring the feed to see what discussions are currently happening in your neighborhood. Join relevant groups that align with your interests or community goals. Post an introduction to let your neighbors know who you are and what you care about. Share valuable information, such as local events, resources, or tips that can benefit the community. Engage with others by commenting on their posts and offering support or insights. Create polls or surveys to gather opinions on community issues or events. Promote local businesses or initiatives that support neighborhood growth and engagement. Organize or participate in community events and invite neighbors through Nextdoor. Encourage open dialogue by asking questions that spark conversation among residents. Make use of the private messaging feature to connect directly with neighbors for more personal discussions. Be respectful and considerate in your communications, promoting a positive atmosphere. Monitor feedback and respond to comments to foster an inclusive community spirit. Regularly check for notifications and updates to stay informed on neighborhood happenings. As you engage more, consider volunteering for local initiatives to enhance your connection to the community. Always prioritize safety by reporting any suspicious activities or concerns through the platform. By consistently participating and contributing, you'll build meaningful relationships within your neighborhood. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.